7 bad daily habits that are secretly aging you faster. You ever wake up, look in the mirror and think, wait, when did I start looking like my mom's older sister? Yeah, same. Here's the deal. Aging is natural, but up to 80% of skin aging comes from lifestyle, not genetics. That means it's not just your DNA, it's your daily habits, the tiny things you don't even notice. Today, I'm breaking down 7 sneaky habits that make you age faster. And of course, I'll give you Lazyfit fixes so you can protect your skin, your health, and your energy without extra effort. Ready? Let's go. 1. Skipping sunscreen. You know what most people think about sunscreen? They think it's optional, like a side dish you can skip if you're not that hungry. But here's the reality. Sunscreen is not dessert. It's not extra credit. It's the single most underrated, everyday health habit you can do for yourself. And it takes, 30 seconds? Now, let's be honest. When you hear sunscreen, your brain probably jumps straight to beach day. Umbrellas, sand, maybe a little too much tanning oil in college. But what about that quick walk to the car? Or the sunlight coming through your office window while you're answering emails? Yeah, that counts too. Your skin doesn't care if you're at the pool or just watering your plants. UV rays are UV rays. Period. Here's a fun little fact. Up to 90% of visible skin aging is caused by the sun. 90%. That means the wrinkles, the spots, the uneven tone. Most of it is from skipping that simple layer of protection. And don't even get me started on skin cancer, because that's the serious side. But here's the thing. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you this because sunscreen is basically the closest thing we have to a real-life time machine. Every dermatologist agrees. It keeps you looking younger, healthier, longer. And unlike kale smoothies, it doesn't taste bad. So how do you make sunscreen a Lazyfit habit? Here's the trick. Put it right next to your toothbrush. That's it. Brush teeth, wash face. Sunscreen. Done. No thinking, no decision fatigue, just automatic. And if you're worried about that sticky, greasy feeling, nope. There are lightweight formulas now that feel like nothing. Some even double as your moisturizer or primer, so you're not adding an extra step. You're actually removing one. So the next time you tell yourself, I don't need sunscreen today, remember this. Future you is watching, and she's saying, please, just do it. 2. Living on coffee. Coffee is magical. I love it. You love it. But here's the catch. Living on coffee is like borrowing energy you don't have. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the chemical that tells your body you're tired, so you feel alert for a while. But when it wears off, crash. That's why by 3 p.m., you're half asleep on your keyboard, Googling, is napping at work socially acceptable? And long-term, too much caffeine messes with sleep quality, which, surprise, ages your skin, your brain, and your mood. The Lazyfit fix? Keep your morning cup. Treasure it. But set a caffeine cutoff, around noon. In the afternoon, swap to water, tea, or, my favorite, 2 minutes of stretching. Yes, I said 2 minutes. Not a full workout. Just shake it out. It wakes your body up without the crash. So coffee isn't the villain. It's just not meant to be your life support system. 3. Scrolling before bed. Okay, be honest. You've said just 5 minutes before bed, and suddenly it's midnight and you're watching raccoon TikToks. We've all been there. But here's the problem. Blue light from your screen tells your brain it's daytime. That blocks melatonin, the sleep hormone. So instead of recharging, your body is like, cool, I'll just stay wide awake while you doom scroll through cat memes. Poor sleep equals faster aging, not just dark circles. We're talking dull skin, low energy, even memory problems. The Lazyfit fix? Don't give up your phone. Let's be real, that's not happening. Instead, move your scrolling to the couch. Charge your phone away from your bed. So when you crawl under the covers, your brain knows, this is sleep time. Small shift, huge difference. By the way, If you're loving these lazy fit tips, don't forget to hit that like button. It tells me you want more simple, stress-free health hacks. And hey, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next lazy-friendly trick coming up. 4. Never drinking water. Water is boring. I get it. But your body? It runs on water the way your car runs on gas. When you're even slightly dehydrated, your blood gets thicker, your heart works harder, your energy drops, and your skin, dry, dull, fine lines more obvious. Basically, you look and feel older. The Lazy Fit fix? Make water effortless. Keep a cute bottle next to you, desk, couch, car. And here's the hack. Every time you check your phone, take a sip. You don't even think about it. You just link it to a habit you already have. Easy, automatic, lazy-proof. 5. Sugar snacking all day. Cookies, candy, lattes with whipped cream. Delicious, yes. But living on sugar is like riding a roller coaster you didn't buy tickets for. First, the sugar high. Energy boost, feels amazing. Then, the crash. Suddenly you're tired, cranky, and reaching for more sugar. That constant up and down ages your body. It stresses your cells, and it makes you feel older than you are. The Lazy Fit fix? Don't quit sugar. That's boring and unrealistic. Just pair it with protein or fiber. Eat your cookie, yes, but add a handful of nuts, or cheese, or fruit. That slows the crash, keeps your energy steady. Balance, not a restriction. 6. Saying yes to everything. Here's a secret. Not all aging shows on your face. Some of it shows in your energy. And nothing drains energy faster than saying yes to things you don't want to do. Every favor, every extra project, every sure I'll help, it adds up. And suddenly you're exhausted, resentful, burned out. The Lazy Fit fix? Practice saying, "Let me get back to you." That little phrase buys you time. You can check in with yourself. Do I actually want to do this? Or is it going to drain me dry? Protecting your boundaries protects your energy. And trust me, future you will look younger because of it. 7. Overthinking everything. Sometimes it's not your body that's tired, it's your brain. Replaying old conversations, worrying about things that haven't even happened yet. Endless what-ifs. Overthinking burns real energy. It's like running a marathon, but in your head. And stress? Yep, it accelerates aging. Wrinkles, gray hairs, the works. The Lazy Fit fix? The 2-minute rule. If it won't matter in 2 years, don't give it more than 2 minutes of stress. Write it down. Let it go. Move on. Your brain deserves a break. And honestly, life's too short to argue with yourself at 2 a.m. So there you go. 7 sneaky habits that secretly age you faster. The good news? You don't need a total lifestyle makeover. You don't need 10 new products. You just need small Lazy Fit swaps. Protect your skin. Protect your energy. Live smarter, not harder. Now tell me in the comments, which one of these habits are you most guilty of? And hey, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and join the Lazy Fit family. Because healthy living doesn't have to be hard. It just has to be smart. And maybe a little lazy. See you next time.